Anything before we invite the jury back in?
No, Your Honor.
Ms. Lewis?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, let's invite the jury back in, please. All right, have a seat. Mr. Bloodworth, the state's next witness.
Your Honor, the state calls Anna Isbell.
Ms. Isbell, if you'd step in front of Brittany, we'll get you sworn in.
Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear the testimony you're about to give in the matter before the court to be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, subject to the pains and penalties of perjury? Have a seat.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am. What is your name?
Anna Isbell?
Do you spell your last name I-S-B-E-L-L?
Yes.
Do you know who Kouri Richins is?
Yes.
How?
Knew her from
Ms.
high school.
Isbell, I apologize for interrupting. Turn the mic towards you a little bit. You can sit wherever you're comfortable. It's easier to move the mic. There you go.
Knew her from high school. Just living in the same area.
Do you know who Hayden Jeffs was?
Yes.
Who was he in relation to you?
My significant other for 13 years.
And he passed, didn't he? And it was a motorcycle accident? Okay, I can see you're nodding.
Yes, sorry. Try not to say yes, because it'll start making me cry. But yes, he did.
I appreciate that. I'm sorry. Do you know whether Hayden Jeffs knew Kouri Richins?
Yes.
Did they know each other?
Yes.
How did they know each other?
He did handyman work for her.
Were you with Hayden Jeffs on January the 22nd, 2022, when he received a call from Kouri Richins?
Yes.
Did you overhear that call on speakerphone?
Yes.
What on that phone call, if anything, did you hear Kouri Richins ask Hayden Jeffs?
For something for a client. I don't remember what it started with, the T or a P. We didn't know what it was. I went to the bathroom, and when I came back, I don't know who brought it up or how it got around to that. Hayden was just saying, fuck that client. Fentanyl? What? Fuck that. Fuck that.
Your Honor, hearsay.
Hayden's statements, Mr. Bloodworth.
No.
Your
Would
Honor,
you pause for 1 second, Ms. Isbell? My apologies.
effect on Kouri Richins?
Yeah, so, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Jeff's side of this conversation as related by Ms. Isbell. That's an out-of-court statement that you cannot consider for its truth. The only reason you can consider it is for context for whatever Ms. Richins may have said in response after hearing it. Please proceed.
Thank you, sir.
I interrupted you. Did you want to say anything else about that?
Okay, after Mr. Jeff said that, how did Ms. Richins respond?
She said, okay, thank you. That's all.
Was there a second call then?
No.
Okay. Did you hear any other of the discussions between Ms. Richins and Mr. Jeffs?
No.
Thank you. No further questions.
Good afternoon, Anna.
Afternoon. Don't know about good, but afternoon.
Afternoon.
I'm Wendy Lewis, we've met, right?
Yes.
Okay. I just want to say, I start by saying I'm very sorry for your loss of Hayden. I know that's been very difficult for you. Now, you, of course, have been called as a witness for the state, right?
Mm-hmm.
And was there a time, a couple
Oh,
of...
yes.
And did they reach out to you a couple of months ago to try and get you to come in and meet with them?
Yeah, I've tried multiple times.
Multiple times. All right. I'm going to show you, just for what's been marked as Defense Exhibit 1002.
Should be able to see it there.
Mm-hmm.
Anna, do you recognize those text messages?
Yes.
Were those text messages from your phone?
Yes.
And they were between you and Detective O'Driscoll, is that right?
Yes.
So your texts are in blue, is that correct?
Yes.
And his are in black.
Yes.
Your Honor, I'd ask that we publish, that 1002 be admitted and published.
Non-objection, that we approach.
Of course. Thank you. You got a glass of water? Okay.
Katie, can you, or Your
Oh, I
Honor,
can do it.
whoever's controlling the screens?
No problem. So that's the text exchange that's been offered by the defense.
And it's just that one page.
Yes. Oh,
There we go.
Mr. Bloodworth, no rush. Take a moment, make sure that's what the state regards as, is it 2 pages, Katie? 4, okay.
repeats because she sent it in
Sure,
her
sure,
chunks.
sure. Screenshots.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Kate, I don't read that fast. Can we start at the top, please?
Are these out of order? Am I
Yeah,
reading?
I can't figure out the order. They go, I can't tell if they go backwards in time. It might go backwards in time.
Maybe. It doesn't, but
We can just do the first page if you want. Let me see. Because I do think it repeats. I had a hard time.
Well, but it looks like there's stuff above this. That this is a midstream discussion. I'm sorry, Katie, can you go to the second page, please?
Counsel, I'm not persuaded that the first page of this proposed exhibit is in a form that would exist on an iPhone. Pages 2, 3, and 4 seem more consistent with how iPhone text messages
That's fine.
exist in the world. Doing some quick math here, it seems like the chronological order is something like 4, 2, 3. Does that sound right, Mr. Bertram?
Yeah. And just the way that I'm looking at it, Your Honor, it appears that 4 should be 1,
Right,
then it should go to 2,
right.
and then 3 and 4. And 1 is just kind of another screenshot off of,
We're going to get rid of 1, yeah. So,
Okay, that's fine.
Katie, can you take a moment, carve it up, and reorder it?
All right, Your Honor, I think it is sorted. No objection to the current version of the text messages.
Katie, if you'd show it to me. Okay. I'm going to show this to the witness. If you would lay some foundation, Ms. Lewis.
So, do you recognize this as text from your phone?
Yes.
And they are texts between yourself and Detective O'Driscoll, is that correct?
Yes.
And his original text at the top was sent in December 30th. correct?
Yes.
And then you responded sometime later, which was sometime in January, correct?
Yes.
And you recognize all of these text messages?
Yes.
And are they accurate as far as you recall?
Can we show our pages 2 and 3,
Yeah.
please?
Yes. The first one, it's two different. That's why it looks weird. But yes, they're all. Yes.
Okay. We now move to admit defense exhibit.
I'm sorry. Your Honor, just foundation, there's two different phone numbers that appear. I think we just need foundation on whose phone number is who.
One's Detective O'Driscoll's and the other one's Travis.
I didn't understand that answer, Ms. Lewis. Could you lay some more foundation?
Yeah, I
please?
wasn't sure. So the first page, the 14353213618, that's Detective O'Driscoll.
I don't know his phone number off the top of my head, but
Do you recognize the text as being from him?
I think that the first one is Travis. Because I believe the first one is Travis. I don't know his number off the top of my head.
All right, let me see where there's a
I
second.
didn't say if either are other numbers.
Can we move to the next page, Katie? Is that a different phone number? That's the same phone number, correct?
It is not.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So that one would be Travis. That
So-
one would be O'Driscoll.
Are you sure? Because they say the same thing.
The one is because I sent it to Travis to show him how Detective O'Driscoll was handling himself through this.
Oh, I
That's
understand.
Yeah.
All right. So the first text is from Detective O'Driscoll.
What is pulled up right now? That one is.
And then that's when you
that's
sent the text.
That one's Travis. I had
To Travis.
screenshotted it to show him.
Why don't we consider these separately?
All right. So let's go to the text, the second page from Detective O'Driscoll. Take out the first page, Katie. Starting right there. So let's, if we could introduce, is that 3 pages now? Or 2? 2. All right. If we could introduce the 2 pages of text between Ms. Isbell and Detective O'Driscoll.
Would you mind confirming with this witness what these 2 pages are?
And these 2 pages are text between you and Detective O'Driscoll, correct?
Yes.
And the black bubbles are from him, the blue are from you, correct?
Yes.
And that's an accurate representation of the text conversation you had with him at that time, correct?
Yes.
I think this is still Defense Exhibit 1007, if we could introduce, or at least mark it as 1007, this particular version.
Say it again. Well, I don't know what it is. How are we marking it?
1002, maybe we can do 1002.
So, Mr. Bloodworth, Defense Exhibit 1002A, a text message streamed between Ms. Isbell and a number ending 6267, 2-page document.
Can I see the second page?
Of course.
Your Honor, no objection to the admission. We're gonna need, though, before publishing to anybody, to redact the phone number except for the last 4 digits.
No problem. Is that, I think that's the only place it appears, right? Is that the top?
Can you do that so we can still see the,
There you go.
oh, that's on the previous page though, right?
And then on both pages, please, Katie. Okay. Numbers redacted. Any objection, Mr. Bloodworth?
Oh, Your Honor.
Okay. Defense 1002A, a 2-page text stream involving phone number ending 6267 is admitted. Let me publish. Ms. Lewis, take it from there.
Thank you. All right, now as we just talked about, this was a text between you and Detective O'Driscoll.
Yes.
He sent you a text that said, so you can make our life easier and answer our calls so we can prep you on what you're going to be asked. Next time I knock on your door, I'll have a warrant and a catch pole for your dog, correct?
Yes.
Now, he was talking about that they'd reached out and asked you to come in to be prepped for your testimony.
Overall.
Overall, okay.
Pause,
And
Ms. Lewis, for a moment.
Your Honor, she misread the text. I know it's up there and the jury can read it for themselves, but there.
If they can, I mean, it's small. Yeah, can we zoom in, Katie? Pause for 1 second. Can you folks read that?
I might have misread because some of it's covered here.
That's, yeah, I mean, the redaction might have been part of the problem, but.
Can we maybe go to,
I think because we blocked out the number, I can't see
Okay.
the first line.
all right. We'll just let the jury read it for a moment.
Your Honor, if Ms. Lewis could also turn her mic back on.
Oh, I'm sorry. Thank you, Brad. All right, let's try again. This is blocked out a little bit, but you'll be able to see it later, hopefully. So until you are needed to testify. So make your life easier and answer our calls so we can prep you on what you will be asked. Otherwise, the next time I knock on your door, I'll have a warrant and a catch pole for the dog. That's what he said, correct?
Yes.
I don't need to be prepped. Give me the time and date and I will appear. He says it's on your subpoena. You ask, is there more an exact date or a date? Do I need to be there February 23rd through March 26th? His response, we could have discussed that if you ever replied, but since you don't want to, you can plan on showing up every day at 8 o'clock. Next page. Your response, I don't need to be prepped. Give me the time and date and I will appear. Oh, so this is the same. It's repeated. It's on your subpoena, February 23rd. Plan on being there every day. And then you say, I would like it over text message so that I have exactly what you say in writing. And again, he says you're legally obligated to show up on the dates and times on the subpoena. So let's go back. First of all, what was your reaction when he when he sent you these text messages?
Oh, I was livid. I was very upset. I thought it was rude, inconsiderate, and not how you should treat somebody that did nothing wrong.
Okay. And you were asking if he would give you an exact date to show up to court instead of telling you to be here every day, correct?
Yeah.
And he said, well, no,
Yeah.
you'd be
Should've
here
talked to
every
me.
day, correct?
Mm-hmm.
And that's because you didn't want to come in and be prepped, correct?
I didn't want to speak to them at all.
All right, but you never refused to come in and testify because you were legally obligated to do so. Is that fair?
I never refused.
All right. Now, he said that next time I knock on your door, I'll be there with a warrant and a pole for the dog.
Mm-hmm.
So he threatened to arrest you if he had to come back to try and talk to you.
Yes.
And he said the next time. He'd been to your home before?
Yeah.
Did your dog attempt to attack O'Driscoll when he was at your home before?
No.
Is your dog a vicious dog?
He's a big dog. He's very protective, especially after Hayden's passed. He's behind a fence that you aren't supposed to open unless
Okay.
somebody that knows him is there.
Did he attempt to bite Detective O'Driscoll?
Absolutely not.
Did he touch Detective O'Driscoll?
I don't think he's ever seen my dog. Maybe through the fence.
Through the fence. So you didn't sick your dog on Detective O'Driscoll?
Never.
All right. Okay, thank you. Now let's go back. Sorry that took so long. You recently completed rehab, right, Anna?
Yeah.
Fairly recently. I mean, it wasn't like last week, but fairly recently. And your drug of choice was alcohol. Is that fair to say?
Yes.
You're doing well. No.
Yeah.
Congratulations on that.
Thank you.
How are you doing in 2022?
Sorry, what year was that even? I base my years off was Hayden dead or not at that time. I'm 2022.
Let me make it simple.
Yeah, give me a point of date.
During the time when this phone call happened, were you sober?
What phone call?
The phone call you're here to talk about between Hayden and Kouri.
I had just got done with dinner, so I think Hayden and I had went to Sushi Blue that night, They probably had like a drink there.
Okay. So, before we get to the phone call, just a couple of other questions. So you said Hayden did handyman work for Kouri.
Yes.
Did he work on a number of projects for her? Do you know?
Didn't I know of, yeah.
All right. And was Kouri good to him while he was working for her?
Yes.
She would help him out at times?
Yeah.
What kind of things would she help him out with?
Like just advice, helping with like, she had helped him get insurance, like liability while he worked for her, so that she wouldn't be liable, like those kind of things.
All right.
She seemed very nice to him.
So you said in January of 2022, Hayden got a phone call. He was on speaker, and you could hear part of the call.
Mm-hmm.
Because you did go
Yes.
into the bathroom for some of the call, correct?
Yes.
All right. So is what you heard Kouri say that she was asking him for the Michael Jackson drug?
That was part of it.
Because you didn't know what that was, correct?
Yeah.
And were you Googling on your phone trying to figure that out during the
I
phone
was-
call?
Going to, but I didn't because I was like trying to figure out what the first thing that she said because I thought it was a muscle relaxer. And then I was like, what the fuck is Michael Jackson stuff?
So you thought she was asking for a muscle relaxant.
That was what I was thinking she was talking about.
Okay. And then you went into the bathroom, right?
Mm-hmm.
And did you ever at that call hear Kouri ask for the drug fentanyl?
I did not.
Okay. I have nothing further.
Mr. Bloodworth,
No, sir.
may we release this witness?
We may.
Ms. Lewis,
Yes, Your Honor.
you are released from this subpoena.
Awesome.
Free to go.
Thank you.
Take care. Do you mind taking that glass of water with you? Thanks.